Notice of Foreign Sovereign Immunities, asserting legal protections under international law. Understanding foreign sovereign immunities. Foreign sovereign immunity is a legal doctrine that prevents governments, their officials, and certain entities from being subject to the jurisdiction of foreign courts without explicit consent. This protection applies to diplomatic agents, international organizations, and recognized sovereign entities. Key aspects of foreign sovereign immunity. Prevents foreign courts from exercising jurisdiction over sovereign states and their officials. Applies to government agencies, diplomats, and state-owned entities. Restricts enforcement actions, including financial claims, seizures, and lawsuits. Requires explicit waivers or exceptions to be enforced in foreign legal systems. Example application. A foreign diplomat is sued in a domestic court for an alleged contract violation. They issue a notice of foreign sovereign immunities asserting their protected legal status under the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, FSIA, and diplomatic conventions. Legal basis for a notice of foreign sovereign immunities. 1. Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, FSIA, 28 U.S. C. Section 1602 to 1611, United States establishes when foreign states are immune from lawsuits in U.S. courts. 2. Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, 1961 grants diplomatic and consular immunity to foreign representatives. 3. United Nations Convention on Jurisdictional Immunities of States and Their Property. Defines limitations on civil and criminal actions against foreign states. 4. Customary international law. Recognizes state immunity as a principle of sovereign equality. Issuing a notice of foreign sovereign immunities. A notice of foreign sovereign immunities serves as a formal assertion of legal protection, preventing unlawful jurisdiction, asset seizures, or legal claims. Key components of the notice. Identification of the sovereign individual, entity, or state. Legal basis for immunity, FSIA, Vienna Convention, etc. Statement of non-consent to jurisdiction or legal claims. Demand for immediate dismissal or withdrawal of legal actions. Example notice format. I, your name, acting under recognized sovereign immunity, hereby issue this notice of foreign sovereign immunities asserting my protected legal status under applicable law. No court, legal authority, or enforcement body may assert jurisdiction over my person, property, or affairs without explicit consent. Any action contrary to this notice shall be considered a violation of international law and sovereign protections. Legal and practical implications prevents unlawful lawsuits, asset seizures, and jurisdictional overreach. Ensures compliance with international law and diplomatic protections. Provides legal defense against improper legal claims. Conclusion. A notice of foreign sovereign immunities is a powerful legal tool to assert diplomatic, governmental, and sovereign protections against unauthorized legal claims, court jurisdiction, and enforcement actions. By formally issuing this notice, individuals and entities protect their legal standing and sovereign rights under international law.